Good morning. Hope you have gained a lot of knowledge from our previous experiments. Today's experiment, AC mains. Aim. To find the frequency of an alternating current, that is AC mains, by sonometer and an electromagnet.
Apparatus required: sonometer, bridges, weights each of 500 gram, stand, step-down transformer which converts 220 volts to 6 volts, and an electromagnet.
A sonometer is a hollow wooden box which consists of two holes at equal lengths. A steel wire is used. The steel wire is tightened by the help of the weights that is suspended. Now, when the wire is tightened and the wire is vibrated, then the air is trapped inside, and when the vibration of the air and the vibration of the steel wire matches, we obtain the condition of resonance, that is the condition of maximum vibration. The frequency of the vibration of the steel wire can be calculated by the formula 1 upon 2L root T upon M, where L is the length between the two bridges and T is the tension due to the weight suspended, and M is the mass per unit length, that is 1.1 gram per centimeter for a steel wire. Since the wire vibrates 2 times in one cycle of an AC, therefore the frequency of an AC can be measured by 1 by 2 times the frequency of vibration of the steel wire. Now, the transformer that we use is a step-down transformer which has an input of 220 volts and gives the output of 6 volts by reducing the voltage from 220 volts to 6 volts. Here we have an electromagnet which has two input points, which takes the voltage of 6 volts given by the transformer. Due to the AC, the electromagnet gets magnetized, which vibrates the wire. After we have made all the connections, we can see that the wire is starting to vibrate. As a proof, we have put a piece of a paper, and the piece of the paper is vibrating along with the wire. Now, the 3 points are taken out of the maximum vibration, firstly by simply using a hanger without any weight, then by putting a 500 gram weight and then another 500 gram weight, which makes it equal to 1 kilo. The lengths between the two bridges are maintained or changed so that the points of maximum vibration are obtained. The following experiment can be noted in the following way: aim, apparatus, theory, and the observation table is made, which consists of following columns, that is load, tension, L1 that is length of the first bridge and L2 length of the second bridge, resonant length, and the frequency of the vibration of the wire, that is nu is equal to 1 upon 2L root T upon M. And after calculating the three values, we measure the average value, which comes out to be 102.6 Hertz for the wire, and half of the value of the frequency of the vibration of the wire gives the frequency of the AC, that is 51.3 Hertz.